So now we're going to talk about an output amperage example. So if you have this 12 button PDM and you for instance want to run 3 fuel pumps which are running at, let's say, 25 amps, for this instance example 25 amps each, then you only have 2 ports, 2 outputs which can handle over 25 amps. So you can only connect 2 of those fuel pumps, but you can use a 5 amp output to a relay, an external relay, to solve that problem. Or most pumps where you run 3 will not draw above 20 amps. So there you can use these 4 20 amps outputs plus the 2 30 amps outputs. So there are several different ways of connecting it. You can also run a fan which are using more than 30 amps when it starts, for example, and you can connect it to the 5 amp port and use an external relay to solve those kind of high amp problems. But as long as you're using below 30 amps on 2 ports, you will be fine on this specific installation. And as long as you're using top 20 amps on 4 output ports, you can use these ports, etc. So this PDM will run most of your application. And as I told you, worst case, use an external relay as well. You can connect that to this one as well. And that is because you want to control it with these buttons, which are programmable, so you can have different kind of functions depending on what you want to run.